I will teach you how to cook vermicelli with rice. Okay, those are the ingredients. We just cooked the beef a while ago, ilagang baka, and then this is the partner of our bulalo rice. But rice with vermicelli in Egyptian way. So we have rice, 2 cups and 1/4 of rice. This one here, and of course the black pepper. Depends upon you will put, okay, and salt. Also, how upon your taste you will put. And then this is vermicelli, small noodles. Okay, this one. This is what we call vermicelli. The packet, okay, and then we have butter, 2 cubes of butter. This one, these are all ingredients, and of course we will manage the water. How many cups of water we will put upon, it depends upon us what have water this one. So we will start it now. Okay, my friends, just follow me again. Start to cook the rice with vermicelli. This is the pot I'm cooking here. Okay. Now we will put the butter. We will melt it. Then we will put the vermicelli. Okay. This is the vermicelli. We will mix it and cook it until it will make brown. The color is brown. The color is brown now. You can see brown. Okay, so now the time we will put now the rice. Be careful, don't put the water and the mixed rice first. We will put the new water. And now, mix it already. We will put water. Then I put 2.5 cup of water. 2.5 cups of water. Put, okay, just manage the water, because if a little this one, you need to add more water. So now we will put ground black pepper, only little, just manage it. Okay, then we put, manage also the salt. Mix it, and then we will cover it. Then we will open it later again, Shoya, maybe after how many minutes? Then we will mix. So we will cover it and we will cook. And wow, see the rice now with vermicelli is cooked already. This one, this is the outcome. Okay, The smell is good because of the butter. Okay, and now we will eat now with nilagang baka, with the beef soup. Okay, and I will put it in the plate. Thank you. Vermicelli rice. Rice with vermicelli. This is the outcome. You can see now. See our rice for today. This is not plain rice like in the Philippines. We are eating plain rice. And this is now the outcome of rice with vermicelli. And thank you for watching. And this is the partner of this nilagang baka. So wow, delicious our food today. Wow, napapakain po ako ng marami nito. So thank you for watching me again on this day, and I hope you will like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Comment also if you like it, my cook, and comment also if you have other advice or other suggestion with my cooking style. Thank you, God bless, and I love you all, my friends and families. Thank you, bye, God bless.